everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the 5 things that every photographer should do to keep themselves busy, especially in the situation we're having with COVID-19 and practicing physical distancing or social distancing. One of the things I do to keep myself busy is learn to market yourself as a photographer. I would highly suggest joining Facebook groups locally and just photography groups on Facebook. That way you can kind of just communicate and kind of learn from each other about how to grow yourself as a photographer. And I also believe that you should definitely post on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, make one right now, because Instagram is a very powerful tool for photographers. Another activity that you can do too is really learn how to use Photoshop and Lightroom. If you don't have Photoshop or Lightroom yet, you can check on the Adobe website and you can see that it's only $10 a month just for Photoshop and Lightroom. And those two programs are really powerful for what they are. In Lightroom, I like making my own presets. I just feel like that fits my style more. So in Photoshop, I just make sure I remove objects or subjects in the background that's not supposed to pick your eye to. I just want the viewer to kind of pay attention to the subject of the picture. There's a lot of tutorials on Photoshop and Lightroom. And if you'd like me to make a quick Lightroom or Photoshop tutorial, comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn. Another activity that I like to do on my downtime is just gear maintenance. You know, clean your lenses, clean your cameras, clean your batteries, pretty much make sure everything is organized. Because you don't want a dirty lens next time you go out to shoot because of that dust when you were switching out your lenses. So make sure your lenses, your cameras, or your bodies, your batteries, pretty much everything is clean and organized. Another activity you can do on your downtime is just getting inspired. I would highly suggest going to any of the social media outlets like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and just looking to see what kind of photography you can do on your downtime. Just going on Pinterest, I can just look for any kind of ideas, try that out, see if it fits my style. I even save these ideas and draw them out just to make sure it fits my kind of style. And when I do draw them out, I feel like it's gonna really grow my experiences with that certain type of photography. One of the activities you should always do as a photographer is stay organized. Start writing down your goals on a notebook or a whiteboard. Get a calendar or a weekly calendar just to jot down what you want to do at that day or during that week and just kind of accomplish it. Having that organized date is really helpful. It's been helpful to me to create this video and future videos too. So it's really nice to have an organized calendar, you know, weekly or daily. It's really helpful. And I would highly suggest, you know, write those goals down so that way it keeps you on track. Those are my 5 activities that I love to do, especially on my downtime. I just love getting inspired, keeping up with my marketing, keeping up with my Photoshop and Lightroom activities, and just staying organized. So yeah, those are the activities that I like to do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any video ideas for me, like Photoshop tutorials or Lightroom tutorials, comment below. I would definitely love to do some. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you soon.